Hello, welcome back to Rev Study. Today we'll learn about JSON and dictionary in this video. You might have noticed already in the previous two videos we have used a term called JSON in explanation. Today we will demystify both these terminologies and the confusion if you have any confusion. So let's deep dive. So JSON and dictionary. So what is JSON and what is dictionary? So JSON is an universal thing. Both look same, both have keys and values, and there will be flower brackets, there will be under quotations, everything. But what happens with JSON is JSON is universal, meaning people in using JavaScript, people using Go language, people using Java, people using C++, they all agree on JSON thing. It's like universal talking between applications, whether the application is built on Python or whether the application is built in JavaScript. But a dictionary, on the other hand, is only Python centric. People outside Python don't understand if you say something about dictionary. We have learned about data types in Python, right? So we have seen dictionary as well. Let me show you the dictionary versus JSON. Let me take one at a time. Let's say, so dictionary, here you can also read along with me. So in Python, this is like a definition, people use it. So in Python, both dictionary and JSON are both key value pairs, meaning they have key and value. Here you have name and Alice, age 30, city New York, right? So this is a typical key value pair setup, and but they serve different purpose and belong to different contexts, right? So dictionary in Python, a dictionary is a built-in Python data type. So dictionary it belongs to Python. When you say dictionary, it's basically Python data type. It has key value pairs. So the way we used a dictionary in the dictionary example is like this, if you remember. So person, name, person is a dictionary, and then you have different fields in it: name, Alice, age 30, city New York, right? If you want to access and modify those, we used person, name, and then the output would be Alice, and person, age 31 will update the value from 30 to 31. So this is how you use dictionary. On the other hand, what is JSON? So JSON is a JavaScript object notation. So JSON is a text-based format, so used for storing and enhancing data between client and servers. It's language independent. This is really important. So JSON doesn't have any language, unlike dictionary, which is a Python based one, but it closely resembles to Python dictionary. So in Python, you use the JSON module to work with JSON data. For example, so you can see JSON is still like this: JSON, name Alice, age 30, city New York. There is no person or anything in front because that's not a dictionary. Like there is no variable or anything, but this just pure data type. It goes into file or it goes into database. So in Python, many a times we would be doing conversion between JSON and dictionary. For example, we'll do it here, converting between JSON and dictionary. It's simple. It's not very hard. So for example, here in Python there is a inbuilt module called JSON. So whenever you are dealing with JSONs, you use that module. So I here created a dictionary, which is a person dictionary. Here you can clearly see this is a dictionary, person dictionary. There is like name and Alice. There are like key value pairs, and then if you want to convert this dictionary into JSON, you use something called JSON dumps, JSON.dumps. So then it will convert this whole dictionary into a JSON data type inside your Python code. So when you run this print, you will still get the same thing you might get confused, but it is the same thing, but it's inherently a JSON type now. You can get that from print type of JSON string. If you do this, so you get class string. But if you get the same thing for print person dictionary, even though those are same, if you do this, you get class dictionary, right? So this is a dictionary class, the person one. This is a dictionary. But once you use dumps, JSON dumps, then you are making it into a string format, and the object is like under quotation. You can see here there is like quotation here and quotation here, here and here. So that it makes into a string object. So this is like a JSON string object we have seen here. You can see in here is a text based format. JSON is a text based. Text is nothing but a string, right? In Python, text and string are same. So if you want to convert back that JSON again into a into a dictionary, so you use JSON loads. So you load the JSON string, whatever string you have created here, load it, and then print JSON back. You get a dictionary here now. So if I take JSON back and then see type of JSON back, you get dictionary back, right? So here we have seen we created a dictionary first. We made a JSON out of it. Like when you do JSON dump, it became JSON. And then once you do JSON, and then you can use JSON.loads to load any JSON string and then get a dictionary. So like we got dictionary back. So this is how you convert JSON into dictionary and dictionary into JSON back and forth. This is required when you are building applications. Like Python understands dictionary, but other applications outside Python, like the one we saw here in Postman, right? When you run this, you got the response in JSON. Like it doesn't understand what is dictionary. It only understands like it's a JSON format. So same way many other applications also, it's universal. Like JSON is universal. So you need to convert into a JSON dumps to convert dictionary into JSON. But if you also get something from outside application, you need to load it using JSON so that it becomes dictionary, so that you can use that in Python, because Python understands dictionary. You can't do much on JSON in Python. So you need to convert JSON into dictionary to use inside Python. So I hope you understood the concept of JSON and dictionary. Until next video and next module, see you, take care, and bye bye.